Morning everyone, welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start lesson number 1, water plants. Students, by the name of lesson it is clear the plants that grow in water are known as water plants. While most plants grow on land, many others can grow in the water. Some of these plants produce colorful flowers. Some of them produce colorful flowers, while others simply produce foliage. Foliage means only leaves. Okay, now read the clues, look at the pictures and write their names. Here we have some pictures and clues. Okay, some pictures and clues. We have to find the name of the water plants. Okay, now look at this picture number 1. It grows wild along the shallow water. What is written about this picture? It grows wild along the shallow water. Shallow means not very deep, and of many ponds, lakes and rivers. They provide food and shelter for small birds and insects. This plant derives its name from the fuzzy brown foot long cylindrical heads on the ends of this stem. You all are able to say this. What is this? This is fuzzy brown foot long cylindrical shape heads. Okay, which can grow up to 9 feet tall. Which can grow up to 9 feet tall. They prefer full sun and will spread quickly. What is the name of this water plant? What is the name of this water plant? Cattail. Cattail. Okay, then look at this picture number 2. It is a plant from arum family. What is arum? Arum means an European plant having shape like an arrow. Okay. It was first discovered from Nile. You all heard about River Nile near Lake Victoria in Africa. Okay. It has thick soft leaves that form a rosette. Here, rosette. What is the meaning of rosette? Leaves look like a rose. Look at this picture. In this picture, leaves are looking like a rose. It floats on surface of water and its roots hang submerged beneath floating leaves. What is the name of this aquatic plant? Water cabbage. Water cabbage. Here, look at this picture number 3. Picture number 3. Okay. It is an aquatic herb. What is the meaning of herb? Herb means a medicinal plant which floats on the surface of the water. Its root hang inside the water beneath floating leaves. They are found in nearly all tropical and subtropical freshwater bodies. What is the meaning of tropical here? Tropical means hot and humid climate. Okay, and also in freshwater bodies. What is the name of this water plant? It is water lettuce. Water lettuce. Okay, now we will move to our next picture. Picture number 4. Here we have a flower. It is very nice flower. Okay, now it is a very large flower that can be planted in a large pond or water feature. It is very large flower. You all are able to see this picture now. This plant produces fragrant. Fragrant. What is the meaning of fragrant? Good smell. 4 inch tall. It is 4 inch tall. The flower is 4 inch tall. White flower. It is white in color that fade to pink. What is the meaning of fade? Means it loses its freshness and becomes pink. Its leaves can grow to 6 feet across. Its leaves can grow to 6 feet across. What is the name of this water plant? Amazon lily. Amazon lily. Okay. Now look at this picture number 5. This free floating water plant grows commonly in stagnant water. What is the meaning of stagnant water? Means the water that does not move. It is an aggressive invader that may kill other plants in the habitat by blocking sunlight. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Here you all are able to see the plants is spread over here, means the plant that are inside it are unable to get sunlight. Okay, that is why this plant killed the other water plants, because they are unable to get sunlight. What is the name of this water plant? Duckweed. What is the name of this water plant? Duckweed. Okay. Now we will move to our next lesson. Lesson number 2, an amusement park. Okay. Lesson number 2, an amusement park. An amusement park is a park that features various attractions, okay, such as rides and games as well as other events for entertainment purposes. Amusement park. An amusement park is that park in which we are going to enjoy, okay, and for entertainment. You all heard about Bhopal Fun City, right? Okay, here some amusement park from India is given. We have to find the name of the amusement park. Only here the name of city and states are given. Okay. So here look at this picture, picture number 1. Okay. The name of city is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. What is the name of amusement park in Noida, Uttar Pradesh? Entertainment City. Entertainment City. Now second picture. Second picture. This amusement park is in Khopoli, Maharashtra. Okay. What is the name of this amusement park? Adlabs Imagica. Adlabs Imagica. Third picture is in Gandhipet Road, Hyderabad. Gandhipet Road, Hyderabad. What is the name of this amusement park? Ocean Park. Okay. Then we will move to our next picture. It is in Hyderabad city, Hyderabad. Hyderabad city, Hyderabad. What is the name of this amusement park? Ramoji Film City. Ramoji Film City. Okay. Next one is Salt Lake, Kolkata. It is Salt Lake, Kolkata. It is Nico Park. Okay. Nico Park is in Salt Lake, Kolkata. Next is Huda City Center, Gurugram. Okay. What is the name of this amusement park? It is Oyster Water Park. Oyster Water Park. Next is Kumarapuram, Kochi. Kumarapuram, Kochi. What is the name of this amusement park? This is Wonderla Amusement Park. Wonderla Amusement Park. Understood now? Next, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. Okay, the name of city is Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. Okay, and what is the name of amusement park here? Gujarat Science City Amusement Park. Okay, now it is a corner. Some corner is given. What is written over this corner? The oldest amusement park in the world was opened in 1583. In the year 1583. Where it is? In Becken, Denmark. In Becken, Denmark, and it is situated in Europe. Okay. Now students, learn the spelling properly, and thank you so much.